In structural tool tabs, we have grid definition towards the bottom. This is the user interface to create and store all of grid definitions. You can have any number of grids, and currently we can create radial and orthogonal grids. Let's create a sample grid by giving it a name and adding new grid lines. Let's remove the default ones. Grid lines can have any arbitrary spacing, and we can choose to specify vertical offset and spacing distance. Clicking on Create Update Grid Models button, we can publish a graphical representation file. Now we will attach this file as a reference. Every grid is added as independent design model in the file. In grid definition, the offset can be specified to correctly align the grids to the structural location. Refreshing the attachment file, grid is displayed correctly. Okay, that looks pretty good. Just for example, let's place a couple of columns, and as you will see, components can be snapped to grid and at appropriate locations. There are a variety of grid settings that control symbology of individual grid system, color, layer, shapes, as well as any default values for annotations. If grid model is opened up individually, we can even modify the grid representations using the handles and introduce dog legs and create any white space or hide labels. Basic microstation functions can be used to override the definition. These changes are only in the representation, and the actual definition file stays the same so that you can always revert back if required.